Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with I Want to Study Local Zoning Laws All Night by Jean. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have zone cages. These are not killer cages. You probably figured that out from this not adding to 345. But anyway, these are zone cages. So cells surrounded by dotted lines. The dotted lines are called cages. The cells within it, you look at the clue in the top left. This is 5 and 6. Those two digits must appear somewhere at least once within the cage. So these cells need 1, 5, and 1, 6. These need a 3, 4, and 5. These need a 2 and a 4, etc. Now, these cages, unlike killer cages, do not introduce any additional non-repeat rules. So I obviously can't put a 1 here and a 1 here because Sudoku prevents that. But I can put a 1 here and a 1 here. That would be allowed, unlike in a killer cage. All right. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right. So this needs 3, 4, and 5. So we better just mark it 3, 4, 5. Are there more like that? No, that's the only one. So not only is this 3, 4, 5, but it's one of them is 3, one of them is 4, one of them is 5. So this cell here sees the entirety of the cage. Right. If it was a 3, we wouldn't be able to put a 3 anywhere in the cage, and that's bad. Same with 4 and 5. So this sees the whole 3, 4, 5 triple. So it's from 1 to 6. Now this is not adding to 6. This just requires a 6. What if we can do any kind of lining up logic? Yeah, like here and here. We know this cage needs a 4 and this cage needs a 4. Well, there's only one 4 per column. So these cells can't have a 4 in them. This one, that means that's not a 4. That means there's a 4 in one of these two. So these can't, okay, so we can place a 4 because these can't be 4 because of the two lined up cages. And also these 4s point down, telling us these can't be 4. So where does the 4 go in the box? Every box needs a 4. The 4 goes there. And that means one of these two is a 5, which means these can't be the 5. So this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Very nice. That was neat. What's next? These two 4s do look up. Remember, this can't be a 4 because of these, again. Actually, the only place for 4 in this cage is here, so that's probably the easier way to put it. So we're going to place that 4. And the cage needed a 4. Only place in this cage for a 3 is right there, because this 3 took it out of here. Now this is just anything it wants to be. Sudoku allowing. This is 1, 2, 6 as well. That means one of these is a 3. This can't be the 4 for the cage, so the 4 ends up over here. So that's not a 4. This is not a 12. It needs a 1 and a 2. Are there more lineups? This 5 and this, I guess this needs a 5 in it, so that's our 5. And in fact, this is just 1, 2, 6, and this is 3, 4, 5. Whoopsie. This needs 2 and 4 in it. These can't be 4s, so that's our 4. And since this needs a 2, this isn't a 2. All right. Now this does need a 6 in it, so that's not a 6. Ah, the 4 is placed in this box. 2 in one of these. So these can't be 2. We don't know much about 2s. Does anything line up? Anything else line up? That seems to be the trick for this puzzle. These are also 1, 2, 6. We have a lot of 1, 2, 6s to resolve. What's going to do that? Maybe, I don't know. 2, 3, 6. If this is a 3, this is a 2. That doesn't seem to matter, but just thought I'd point that out, I guess. We also need a 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5. Okay. All right, a little stuck. I'm probably just not thinking about one of the clues that has a nice conclusion. A deduction. Yeah, we have the 4. The 5 is one of these two. We got that. 6 is one of these. There's nothing, I mean, this sees the whole cage, but nothing else sees the whole cage, so we can't really use that logic. This has a 1 and a 2 in it, so this is not 1 or 2. It sees the whole cage. And it's not 4, so it's from 3, 5, 6 only. What do I do with that information? We can place a 4 in this box, just Sudoku. That places a 4. And so now this has to be a 1, 2 pair. 4s are actually done. So that can't be a 2. That means that this has to be the 2 for the box, placing this 3. We know 6 is one of these two. That's not a 2 either. So the 2 in this box has to go here. So this is 156. It's also 156. This can't be 5, so it's 136. This isn't a 1, the 1-2 pair. So that's not a 1 also. This is 5, 6. Yeah, and that's not a 5. So that's 6, that's 5, that's 3. We get the 5 here and the 5 here. All right, 3 and 5. I'm trying to avoid cleaning up, but it looks like I might have to. All right. 1-6 pair. So what is this? Well, okay. So first of all, this is the 2. I swear I hit 2. All right. 2's not on those 2. So this is 2 and 3. This 3 tells us the order. That's 2, that's 3. This needs a 6 in it. So that's 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1. This is 1 and 2 and 6. That's 1, 6, 1 and 2. And we're done. All right. Nice puzzle, Gene, as always. I enjoyed this constraint. I haven't done it before, but it reminds me of quads, of course. Just we get more arbitrary shapes to our quad-like logic. But we can still use the lineup logic that is used in quads, and that kind of got us started. Very nice. Well, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why don't leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.